down to our last mission.
Kalahin niyo yun, parang kailan lang. We started this journey not knowing where it would take us. Then planet after planet, we taste the light, the chaos,
Chaos!
the pain, and eventually the healing. And tonight, we realized that every step, every song, every moment, every breath we take, ang mga ay maganda. Now it's like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, oh,
That should always be my mind.
Yun na! Finale na. Grabe yun, grabe yun. Ganda. Every song, every moment led us here. Tuloy na. Yeah, yun, yeah. Rafa?
This journey was never just ours. It belongs to all of you.
Wow!
Ano meron? Everyone who believed, who showed up, who kept shining even when life felt heavy. Kayo ang tunay na bituin sa bawat planeta ng aming kalawakan.
Wow!
Kayo ang rason kung bakit patuloy kaming nangangarap. Kung bakit hindi kami sumusuko.
Wow!
Kasi minsan,
Wala, may entry siya, may entry siya.
minsan,
Gusto ko magsama sa'yo.
minsan, akala natin, Stardust isn't just about light, about being bright and beautiful.
Wow!
Pero ngayong gabi, ito, seryoso to ah. Ito yung mga ika-caption nyo mamaya sa social media.
Noted, noted.
Pero ngayong gabi, natutuhan natin na ito rin ay tungkol sa mga basag na parte, sa kaguluhan, at sa mga emosyong matagal na nating tinatago. And that's okay. Kasi doon sa mga basag na yun, natin, nakikita ko kung gaano tayo katibay. Gaano kaganda at katuling na tao.
Wow!
So as we reach,
Rich!
mayaman. So, sabi ko palitan na natin yun. So as we reach the
Wow!
end of this mission,
Oh!
let this night remind you na tulad ng musika namin, ng mga alaala na nagawa namin, kasama kayo. Parang Stardust, it never fades. Oh, yun yung caption niya sa IG story. Oh. Stardust never fades. Pero may mas maganda pa for ano to. IG post.
IG post.
Ito posting.
Part 2.
Part
Ulitin mo yung sayo.
Stardust never fades.
It stays. In our hearts,
Uy!
in our memories,
Ay!
and in every connection we made tonight.
Yeah!
Okay, so ganun yung steps.
Okay.
Kung na magsustory kayo, Stardust never fades. Tapos sa baba, check my FB post to
Yeah.
see the best.
Dot.
Tapos doon na makikita yung It Stays. Tapos, next, kung may content kayo, ito yung nakalagay na text sa TikTok.
Okay.
Kahit maghiwalay yung landas natin pag alis namin dito, we hope you continue to carry every particle of stardust you were able to gather tonight.
Wow!
And spread its light wherever you go.
Wow!
sa TikTok yan kasi mahaba yun.
Ah.
Yun yung mga memories nyo. Kaya gusto namin i-capture sana tong moment na to. Pwede ba kami makipag-picture sa inyo? I-edit out na lang namin.
Ano kung i-photo siya?
Itong Statue of Liberty. Pero guys, picture tayo. Yan o. Everybody smile! You know.